Hello friends, this is DC here again. I am back with another topics related to current electricity. In the last video, we have seen the basic question Ohm's law and how the voltage, current and resistance are related to each other. We have also seen how the voltage, current and resistance are having similarity with our real life experiences. So now we are going to see some other important questions in current electricity. So this video's topics is resistance in series and resistance in parallel. That is, we have to determine the equivalent resistance when two or more resistors are connected in series or in case of parallel. So this kind of questions are confusing for the students because some of them will find difficulty whether to add the components or to add the reciprocal of those components. So those confusions can be cleared if you remember two rules, simple rules. One is SIC, another one is PVC. So for the expansion of SIC is series current constant. That means whenever in any electrical circuits, if the passive devices, that is resistors, capacitors and inductors are connected in series, the current flow through those components will be constant. I will take a detailed view about passive devices in my next video. So let's come back to here. So that means whenever we are connecting them in series, let's take here the case of resistors. Okay. So if resistor like this, 1 and 2, I'm considering two resistors. Oh, sorry for my diagram. Let me do it again. Sorry. One is this one. Yes, I will try to make it clear. Okay, it's like a heartbeat. Okay. Pardon me for this bad image. And if it is connected to the voltage here, then the current in the resistor 1 and in the resistor 2 will be constant. So if the current parameter is constant, then the varying parameter will be the potential, because we know that the potential is directly proportional to the current as per the Ohm's law. So as the voltage or the potential which is varying, that means the applied voltage which we are giving it here will get divided into these two resistors. In this case, if there are three resistors, means it will get divided in the three resistors. 4 means 4, n means n resistors, it will get divided. So that means the voltage across each of these devices will sum up to give me the total applied voltage. So that will be V is equal to V1 plus V2. So then we can apply the Ohm's law here for the voltage present in each case. We can write it in terms of current and resistance as their product, that is IRS. Here RS is the equivalent resistance in the circuit, and for V1 it will be IR1 and for V2 it will be IR2. So as the current is constant, we will be cancelling them and we will get the equivalent resistance in three simple steps in series connection. Then let's go for PVC. So PVC, that means parallel voltage constant. In series connection, the current is constant. In parallel connection, that is P, V for voltage, C for constant. So this is suitable for any kind of passive devices. Even if resistor, capacitor, inductor are connected in series, you can follow the rule of SIC. If they are connected in parallel, you can follow the rule of PVC. Again, as here the voltage is constant, so the varying parameter will be current. So we have to add up the current flow in each of those devices to find the net current here. Then we have to apply the Ohm's rule here. So for the current, we have to write them in terms of voltage and resistance. That will be V by R. So V by, for the net current, that will be V by Rp. For I1, V by R1, I2, V by R2. So the voltage is constant, it will get cancelled up and we can get the equivalent resistance in parallel connection in 3 simple steps. So you should remember these two, S, I, C and P, V, C. So series current constant, parallel voltage constant, and you will get your answer. So thank you, and if you like this video, please do like this video and subscribe this channel. And if you have any other topics to discuss or any doubts, please do write me in the comment section and I will be posting that video related to that as soon as possible. Thank you.